Namaste and hello everyone. I'm Debolina ma'am from Edu Arena Plex, and today we will discuss about how force can change the shape of an object. Okay, by applying force in the last video we have learned that how we can change the direction, how we can change the speed of an object. But today we will learn force, how the force can also change the shape of an object. Okay, and watch the video till the end, because in the end today I'm going to tell you very important points about force. So I think you all have seen your mother to make the dough. Yes, dough. What is dough? From which she makes the chapati. Before making the chapati, yes, she makes the dough. Yes, so what she does, when she applies her force and press the dough with her hands, you can see that there is change in the shape of the dough. Yes, first it is like a big ball. Yes, the dough is like a big ball. Yes, and then from that big ball she will make some small round balls, and then she will roll it, and then she will make a big chapati for you. Yes, then if you see that if you see in a bicycle seat, you will see in the back side a spring is adjusted with it. Okay, so when you sit in that seat, you will find some changes in that shape. Yes, or you can say that that spring, that is a big one, it will get a bit smaller. Yes, and that sit, if you observe the sit, you will see that there is a bit of change in its shape. Yes, so or if I give you another example of a balloon. Yes, if you take a big balloon and if you press the balloon, if you keep it between your two palms and if you press the balloon, then what you will see, that the balloon will burst. Yes, and then it will from that big one it will become a small one piece. Yes, so how these are taking place. These are all taking place because of the force, because we are applying our force. Yes, so we can come to the conclusion that there are certain things, okay, which cannot, or you can say that which doesn't move. Yes, if we apply force on them, then what will happen? The force might change the shape of that particular object. Yes, for example, this dough. Yes, this dough cannot move automatically. Yes, and when we apply our force, it will change the shape. Yes, for example, this rubber band. This rubber band, now it is in round, but if I pull it, can you see it has changed its shape because I'm applying my force. Yes, I'm pulling the rubber band. So, we can say that, if we apply our force, yes, we can change the shape of an object. Okay. Okay, I hope you can see the points clearly. So, now we can come to the conclusion that, first, we can say that force may make an object from, make an object move from rest. Okay, so, if you see any object, okay, if you see any object, moving, it cannot move automatically. Yes, for example, I have told you yesterday, or I have told you in one video also, if you have seen or not, that a car, it cannot move by itself. Yes, if you just stand near the car, will the car move? No. Yes, we have to apply our force. We have to push it. So, we can come to the conclusion that, force may make an object move from rest. Yes, if an object is just in rest means, it is not moving at all. It is in the zero speed. Then, if we apply the force in that object, then that object will be able to move. Then we can say that, force, it may change the speed of an object if it is moving. Yes, if any object is moving. Yes, and if we, when it is moving, while the object is moving, if we apply our force, then, we can increase its speed. Yes, by applying our force only, we can increase the speed. So, we can say that, force can also change the speed of an object. Okay. Next, you see, it can also change the direction of motion of an object. Yes, it can also change the direction of motion. Okay, if it is going in the right side, we can apply our force and take it to the left side. Okay, so in this way, we can also change the direction of an object by applying our force. Next, you see, it can change the shape of an object. Yes, if we apply our force, yes, we can also change the shape of an object. Not in all the objects, but to some extent, we might change the shape of an object. Yes, for example, if we press the door very hard, yes, then we can change its shape. Next, you see, so we can say that or we can come to the conclusion that any object, it cannot move by itself. We have to apply our force. Okay, it cannot move by itself. It cannot change its speed by itself. Okay, we have to apply our force. Any object, it cannot change its shape automatically. We have to apply our force. Okay, so we can come to the conclusion that any object, they cannot move by itself, they cannot change by itself, they cannot change their speed, they cannot change the direction. We have to apply our force. Okay, so thank you everyone. I hope you all have understood, and please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.